Hi friends, it's time for class. Let's find out what letter we're learning about today. I'm wearing the color yellow, and yellow starts with the letter of the day. Yellow. Do you know which letter I'm talking about? Sing along with me and watch for the letter that gets turned around. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Why? 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 Y is the name of this letter. Let's see what else starts with Y. Oh, this is going to be exciting. Do you have any yogurt? I bet your yogurt isn't this tiny. It's probably bigger than this. Here's a sign you might see when you're out around town. Sometimes it's red and white like this, and sometimes it's yellow. And it is a yield sign. It means to slow down. Do you have anything yellow at your house that's yellow and soft like this? This is a pom-pom. Here's an animal that starts with a Y. Yak. Can you say that? Yak. Yak, yak, yak. I see yarn. That's right. I have yarn right here. And yarn made my wig. Do you know what 2020 is? It's the year. Year starts with Y. Friends, you know this hat I'm wearing? It's a hard hat. You wear it when you work in construction or you're a builder. And I know someone who's a builder. Hey friends. Hi. Can you fix things? Yes, I can. Yes starts with Y. Yes, yes, yes. Can you help at home? Yes. Can you fix things? Yes. Can you do your best? Yes. Can you try new things? Yes. Can you yell when you're outside? Yes. Can you yawn when you're tired? Yes. Can you say Yippee when you're excited? Yes. What's the opposite of old? If you're not old, you are young. Are you young? Yes. Can you say no thank you if you think something's yucky? Yes. Can you think about what you did yesterday? Yes. Can you try to do yoga? Yes. Can you yodel? Yes. Do you want to try it? Yodel-hee-hoo. Let's try that. Yodel-hee-hoo. Speaking of yes, I have a great book I want to read to you. It's called Yes Day. Have you ever had a yes day? Maybe not yet, but maybe you will. Let's find out what happens in Yes Day. This book is by Amy Krauss Rosenthal and Tom Lichtenheld. What do you call a day when every answer is yes? It's a yes day. Yes. Looks like he's excited. He circled the day on a calendar. It looks like today's the day. Today's my favorite day of the year. Yes Day. Just watch. You'll see what I mean. Can I please have pizza for breakfast? Have you ever asked for pizza for breakfast? Did he get pizza for breakfast? Yes. Can I use your hair gel? Did he use hair gel? Yes. Can I clean my room tomorrow? Later, mess. It looks like he's gonna clean it tomorrow. Can I pick? It looks like he's at the store. What do you think he's gonna pick? Lots of yummy cereal. Can we get ice cream? Do you think they will? Yes. Can I eat lunch outside? Oh, that's a good idea. You could ask to do that on a nice day. That looks like fun. Can we have a food fight? Ooh, that might be something to do outside too. It looks like they did it outside. Can we invent our own game? You could do that. It's fun to think of new games. It looks like they threw the balls down the stairs. Can I have a piggyback ride? Have you ever had a piggyback ride? Yes. Can Mario come over for dinner? You want to have a friend over for dinner. We might not be able to do that right now, but maybe later. Can we stay up really late? Yes, it looked like they stayed up late. Maybe they're watching a movie. Does this day have to end? Does our day have to end? Yes. The end of Yes Day. See you again next year. Wouldn't that be fun? I wonder what you might ask for. Maybe you could have a yes day and your mom and dad can say, yes. I was thinking about more ways you can say the word yes. Well, you can also say, yep. Can you say yep? Yep. Can you say, yeah? Yeah. Can you say, you got it? Yeah, you can. Can you say, you know it? How about, you bet? Oh, and there's one more. Where we are in Minnesota, sometimes to say yes, people say, you betcha. Can you say that? You betcha. I have this book called Yoga Whale. Will you try some yoga with me? Please say yes. You will? Great. I'm going to try to do the poses and I'll show you what to do and you can try them too. These are going to be trying to be like animals that live in the sea, like a whale. We're going to do just a few of them. The first one is pufferfish. Pufferfish, we're going to sit crisscross applesauce. This. Okay, so get crisscross applesauce. We're going to put our hands on our tummies. And remember that a pufferfish blows up, he gets bigger and smaller. So we're going to practice inhaling, breathing in, and exhaling, breathing out, and filling up our tummy like a pufferfish. Put your hands on your tummy so you can feel it getting bigger. And breathe in. Feel your tummy getting big like a pufferfish. And exhale. blow it out and your tummy gets smaller. Try it again. Exhale. One more time. Great job. Let's try the seahorse. Seahorse, we're going to bob up and down beneath the waves. So we're going to get onto our knees, like this. We're going to put our hands out in front of us in fists. And we're going to bob up and down. We're going to go up and back down. Up and back down. Kind of like we're riding a horse. Up and down, bobbing up and down in the waves. A seahorse. One more time. Great job. Let's try the shark. For this one, we're going to go on our tummies, and we're going to put our hands behind us and our feet stretched out. So we have to lay down on our tummies. Let's try it. Lay down on your tummy. Put your feet behind you and your arms behind you and stretch them. And pretend that you're a shark with sharp, shiny teeth. Can you be a shark for 5 seconds? Let's try counting to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whew. Great job. A sea urchin. For this one, we are going to curl up in a ball. We're going to go on our knees again and sit down on our feet, like this. Then we're going to put our arms around our head and put our face all the way down by our knees if we can. Stretch all the way down. We're going to curl up in a ball like a sea urchin or a yo-yo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Great job. Octopus. This one we're going to lay down on our backs. We're going to put our feet and our hands up in the air and we're going to wiggle them around. Like an octopus has 8 tentacles. Let's lay down on our back. Okay, lay down. Put your feet up and your arms up and wiggle them around. Wiggle them around. We'll do this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. There's also this book called Yoga Bug, and it has poses to be like bugs. There's one in here that I'd like you to try. The butterfly. Let's try it. We have to sit down on our mat. Put our feet together, and it'll make our wings, our legs. You can hang onto your feet and flap your wings. Flap your wings. Now let's sing 5 little butterflies. Put a 5 up. Give me a high 5. 5 little butterflies fluttered through the door. One flew away and then there were 4. Butterfly, butterfly, happy all day. Butterfly, butterfly, fly, fly away. 4 little butterflies flying through the trees. One flew away and then there were 3. Butterfly, butterfly, happy all day. Butterfly, butterfly, fly, fly away. 3 little butterflies looking at you. One flew away and then there were 2. Butterfly, butterfly, happy all day. Butterfly, butterfly, fly, fly away. 2 little butterflies sitting in the sun. One flew away and then there was 1. Butterfly, butterfly, happy all day. Butterfly, butterfly, fly, fly away. 1 little butterfly sitting all alone. She flew away and then there were none. Butterfly, butterfly, happy all day. Butterfly, butterfly, fly, fly away. Where are all the butterflies? Bring them back. There they are. 5 little butterflies. Great job. Friends, I wanted to talk about another word that starts with Y. You. You? Well, you might be thinking, Mrs. Kamin, you does not start with Y. U is its own letter. But I'm not talking about the letter U. I'm talking about you. Y-O-U spells you. You. And I've been thinking a lot about you. You are very special to me. Hi, my friends. We are going to sing a song called You Are My Sunshine. Remember, you starts with the letter Y. And I brought two of my sunshines. These are my sons. You remember Max?
Hi.
And this is Simon.
Hi.
Let's sing You Are My Sunshine.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
There's another song that Max and I wanted to sing for you, and it's called You've Got a Friend in Me. Go ahead, Max. You've got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your teacher said. Oh, you've got a friend in me. There's another song that has you in it. Happy birthday. And we can sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday to you. And we also wish you God's blessings. God's blessings to you. God's blessings to you. God's blessings, my friend. God's blessings to you.
We got it on the blooper.
Why?